Okay, now that that's off, just take the buttons off. Okay, and now there's the screen, of course. Now what you want to do is get the guitar pick again, and the edge of the screen right there, you want to get it in there and just pop it out like that. And there's little things that keep it in, so maybe a little hard to get out at first. Don't get frustrated like I did. And then there's a little thing right there that attaches it right there. Then what you need to do is just get your pick and just pop it off. And that's pretty much it. There's your LCD screen. All good. Now you just need to put your new one in, and I'll show you how in a second.